This covers the door handles for the Victorian coaches. Swiss 16 make a very nice brass door handle, which work out I think about £5 for 10. I can't remember exactly, but they're very nice. They need a 2mm hole added, where I supply my unit with a 1mm hole in case you want to make your own. Also supplied in the kit are a wooden version of a twist handle, of which you can see the 3 parts in front of you. These are incredibly finicky to make, but I will go ahead and show you how to make them. So you have 3 parts. You have the part that ends up being glued onto the actual wagon itself. You've got the little piece which is the rotating piece, that goes into there. And then finally you've got the actual handle itself, which is then glued onto there to give you the drop down handle. So to make that we need some PVA glue. So I'll just put a little dollop for us to work with. It's incredibly difficult to do. So you pick up first of all the little pin, the knife blade in the end, small amount of PVA, preferably on the side. That then goes into the one with the big hole, and just move it a little bit once you've done it, otherwise it'll end up sticking to the underneath. So that's the base structure done. Next thing we have to do, it's still stuck a little bit there, we are, is to actually put this piece onto there now. Now that's best done with some super glue. Again, a very, very small amount is needed. So again, very small amount of super glue, just onto the very top there. Then we take our ring, and we push that down onto the super glue. Allow that to dry. And there you have your ring handle, and that is then glued onto the side of the Victorian wagon where the holes are. So that's the ring option, of which you need 4 per wagon. There's also the option of fitting a T-type handle, which is basically the same again. We've got the round bit which glues onto the wagon, centre portion, and then the T handle. So we'll just assemble one of those. Again, a very small amount of PVA on the side, into the hole. Generally hold it in position, remove any excess glue. Again, move it around so it doesn't end up sticking underneath. Then we have to fit the T-bar, and that's best done with some super glue. Take a small amount of super glue, add it to the top there, and take the T and position it centrally and push down. Again, try and move a little bit, make sure it's not stuck to the base. And there you have your T-bar or T-handle. Again, you'll need 4 of those. In the kit you have 2 choices. Now, this is the other choice from Swift 16. They do a pack of 10 little handles. These need a 2mm hole putting into the actual wagon, so just run a 2mm drill through the 1mm hole which I supply, and they'll cost you £5.50 plus postage.